We would love, we would love it. Hi everybody, welcome back to Bear Food Kitchen. Thank you for coming back and sharing in our adventure in food. Subscribe to our channel, set your notification, leave us a comment, like. Today we are making chaffles. If you haven't heard of them, you are not new. I was new to the chaffle. I got introduced to them with my sister. She is keto, and these are a keto-friendly waffle. And you could use them for everything, and I'll show you one way today. First, let's get started. We're gonna go ahead and take 2 eggs, and we're gonna put them in the bowl and beat them up. Get them all mixed up. And then you're going to take some regular full mozzarella. Yeah, full mozzarella with egg. I know. We're not using any wheat flour, but I do have some almond flour. This is about 2 teaspoons of almond flour. You could leave the almond flour out if you prefer, or you could use coconut flour in its place. I also have some baking powder, and I like the baking powder because it gets it a little bit more rise and a little bit more fluffy, but then again, if you prefer or you don't have it, you don't need it. That is it. Look at that. How easy was that, right? Now, the cutest little thing is this tiny little waffle maker. I got this at Target. It's like $8. Look how cute. So we preheated the waffle maker. I tried the amount a few different ways. So I kind of figure about a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons for a minute and a half work really well. If you put too much, it'll overflow a little bit. That's it. Put it down. Set your timer. Handy dandy. Set it for a minute and a half. In a minute and a half, you are going to get one of these beauties. Look at that. Now, I know we used egg and mozzarella, but when you take them out, put some butter on it and some syrup, you could use keto, sugar-free syrup. It tastes like a waffle. It's delicious. Or if you don't want to do that, you can make sandwiches. I have some vegan tuna, and I like to just chop my chaffle. In the morning, I make those little McGriddles that you get from McDonald's, and I'll make an egg. I'll use a sausage patty, put some cheese on it, sandwich them together, or you could do an open face vegan chaffle. I'm not waiting. I'm not waiting for you. It's so good. So good. Look at that beauty. Just comes right out. Plop it on down. Keep going. Now, if you want to make a lot of them at one time, they do sell these mini waffle makers with 4, so you can make 4 at a time. I don't really need that, but if you want to do it, I freeze them, make a batch of them, put them in my freezer, pop them out like frozen waffles. They're delicious. I hope you guys try these. subscribe, notify so you get all of our recipes and videos. Give us a comment. We love to hear from you. Thank you so much for coming.